cargasm again. Today we are bringing the Prelude to my workshop. As you can hear, the engine is not running very well. There is something wrong with the ignition. So we're gonna get the car checked out and we're gonna arrange for overhaul. Don't know what happened to the car. Like, if I just let the car be, the RPM will drop to 0 and then the car will die. Yeah, so that's why I'm bringing it to check now. The car is not behaving well at all. So yesterday when I drove back, right, I went to Lauya to fix my laptop, and when I drove back, it's about a 1 hour plus ride because there was like traffic jam and all. I was heel to toe all the way. Whenever there's jam, I was doing heel to toe all the way because I had to keep the engine running, if not it will die. So such a ride, man. It was so tiring. When I went back, my leg was so tired, both of my legs. For now, sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't, so I just hope and pray that it won't happen to me on the way there. So guys, when you see a guy driving an old car, and if you see that he's revving his car all the way like boom, 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 like that, right? Don't judge him right away. Maybe there's something wrong with his car and he's just trying to save it, you know? Yeah, so be more understanding. So many people looking at me yesterday. But it's okay because I know what I'm doing. Yeah, like now the engine is dying. So I had to adjust it all the way. So I'm doing this. I guess it's a good training for me, since I'm also trying to learn how to heel to toe. Yeah, by the way guys, I'm going to collect the stickers this week. So I only had so much stock, right? I only have 30 stickers at the beginning for first batch. So if you guys haven't grabbed one yet, make sure you check out my Shopee. Just type in Cargasm and you will find the Shopee. This is basically the last ride, guys. That's why I want to document it and show. And that's why I want to share the ride with you. Because once I bring this car to the workshop, it's gonna be there for another month or so. So we are not gonna be able to drive it for quite some time. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video. Enjoy this ride together with me. It's not smooth, you know. It's like going dong, 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 like that. It's like going and stopping like that. It's very cranky, very hard to drive the car now. And then when I downshift, right, so we are approaching a roundabout now. When I downshift, when I need to stop, I have to step on the accelerator or else the car will die. So guys, we are here at CNN Auto Finder. And they are helping me to check like what do I need to work on the Prelude. What I like about them is when they do things, they are very fast, they are very responsive, friendly, and look at that place. Have you seen a workshop this clean and organized or not? Yeah, so that's what I like about them. We will also do more updates on the Prelude from time to time, so make sure you subscribe to our channel.
堅喉嚟改佢嘅啫。
呢個係乜嘢嚟嘅？
我哋校風位，校佢如果我哋校風位校唔到，我哋就改呢隻嘢出嚟，變開冷氣仲冇開冷氣校嘅。
咁呢個係嗰個 auto 嘅。
For auto purposes, for the shift gear, idle purpose.
哦，都本來係 auto 嘅呢台車。
所以而家唔需要淨係咁入翻去就得咗嘅。
Then your guys will have your timing sight is leaking already.
timing 哦。
Your means係your meat, your
漏油啊，下底你係睇到漏油咯。
For me, this part is a major resources you need to deal with that. Then second is the exhaust you can send to the exhaust shop. Then but I need to find out 你嗰個 OBD socket for firing orders. But 如果佢呢隻嘢有 attach with the ground body, this part will be burst. 配翻普通嘅 solver，都變咗佢嘅回泵好搖啊，所以我咪卡底咯。咁就係你呢啲 bush 啊，呢啲 bush you can see over here. My fingers can put in and you can see the big hole here. So 佢自己係 CNC recast of solver. And this is a swap spring 咯。所以佢呢個唔係原裝嘅，係另外自己改來嘅啫。
真係入場 rally 嘅車啊！真係去行 rally 嘅。哦 ，retired rally car。
冇咩嘢嘅，係比較咩 C 啫。計數有啲嘢都你有乜事去就拉過。呢個就係 auto sensor，我行兩粒嘅。我得呢度嘅咧，我 auto sensor 就掛咗我間係。你都講佢睇啊嘛。
So that's about it, guys. Through the diagnosis, we need to spend around 15,000 just to do the engine, do the wiring, the mounting and everything, just to make the car safe to drive again. But this is it. This is the beginning of Project Prelude. I hope I can share more about the journey, the process, and each of the upgrades, restoration to you guys. Shout out to CNN Auto Finder Sdn Bhd for making this happen.